so we have the SeekBox, another fully loaded Android box. And let's remember, these are both available are going to be given away in the Android and the Galaxy giveaway. So this and another one will be going to a lucky viewer, no matter what. But let's see what they got. This is great packaging. See, Android 11, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi 6.0, 4 gigabyte of RAM, gaming, 4K 60 hertz Dolby. And this is the S3 Pro, the SeekBox. Let's see what we have in the box. Ooh, Blockbuster Nights. Start here. All-in-one family entertainment. Ooh, yes, we do. All right. So it looks like we have so this is really good packaging. So we have the actual box here. And this, I'm not gonna mess up the packaging. This is the box where we've got HDMI, LAN, Type-C, and AV connections. This is the box. Okay, USB 2.0 and 3.0. Got a memory card slot there. And that's it. That's the box right there. This is the remote. There we go. Yep. There we go. The remote. There we go. See, nice remote there. That's very nice. I'll put that back in the box for right now. And then it looks like we have obviously the power cord. And here, yeah, all right, no batteries or anything, but that's cool, you know, we got batteries. We got our own batteries. Okay. I gotta rip this one open, unfortunately. All right, so we got a USB-C, a SeekBox, so that's branded. Put that to the side. Yeah, so that is the packaging in the box. All right, so pretty simple. This is the setup right here. It comes in a box. The remote takes 2 AAA batteries. We're going to get this powered up, hook it up to the TV, see what the setup's like, take a look at it, and go through it and hit it back and see what we got. We'll be right back. All right. As soon as you turn it on, you get this screen. Super simple to do. I gotta find it. Hit the remote, see what happens, how long this takes. There we go. All right, didn't take too long. All right. See, that's perfect. So if you ever get one of these, they always have and I have one upstairs on my other one, they have a keyboard that you can attach via USB. I highly recommend getting one of those because it makes typing on this so much easier. I will cut this out, but I'm just going to connect. Gives you that little screen right there. Pick your time zone. And then it starts loading. I mean, it's very simple. This is not a very complicated process. All right. So all the apps, wow. So this is actually pretty good because the apps are already up there. And so it tells you they're already up there. You can just download them. Super simple. These are the two here that you're going to want to download immediately. Download those immediately. They're super simple to do. These two, this is going to be your live streaming without any subscription. Hit install. Install that. We'll open it up and take a look at it. Obviously, for copyright reasons, we can't look at certain things. Now, as you see, all your streaming stuff is on here. You got Dolby stuff. All these shows, this is all the stuff that's on here. Obviously, I can't go on here. I'm not going to open any of these up for us to watch, but they're there. Movies, TVs, 4K, all this stuff is here. It's all there. This is the VOD for you to watch. It's all here. So you could drop your current subscription. Look, it's all there. It's all right here. All the ones. All right. So as you can see, the SeekBox is definitely a solid performer. It's got a full IPTV, all the channels. The VOD service is got everything, all the streaming services as well. So you could definitely cut the cord. Now the box runs, the S3 Pro runs $2.99, and I'll leave some links in the description. So the good thing about this is it's a one-time purchase, and you have access to everything that the box has available. Now, I've been running this all weekend, and it's been very stable. I've run it for hours, haven't had a lot of buffering, been running live TV, HD movies, 4K videos, and as long as you have a very stable internet connection, you shouldn't have any problems. So this is definitely a box. I would say if you're considering using a service like this, this is a box I would definitely recommend. Now, with such a crowded field with the likes of SuperBox, with the VC box, is this box at the level of the SuperBox and the VC box? I'm not gonna say it is top flight like those boxes, but if I said those were at the top of the hill, the SeekBox would be maybe one notch below that, and that's a great box. They are a couple boxes, like the Sling box, which is a couple notches below those. That still offers a great product, but isn't in the same categories. But the SeekBox is a box that is definitely a close competitor to the SuperBox and the VC box. So if you were looking to get something close but just a little less expensive than the VC box and the SuperBox, then the SeekBox S3 Pro might be an option for you. So if you have any other questions, hit me up in the comments, and also enter the link in the description, the Galaxy giveaway. The SeekBox, this specific SeekBox, will be part of the Galaxy giveaway. It's one of the guaranteed prizes. So all you got to do is enter the giveaway. It's going to be one of the guaranteed giveaway. That's a $300 value. So just enter, like, subscribe, and if you have it, man, buy a couple extra entries, and you can be one of the lucky winners that will be guaranteed a chance at winning one of those boxes. Talk to you guys later.